Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deploy a website on Netlify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So head over to netlify.com and sign up for your free account. Now for me, I've already got my account created and we're going to be on the dashboard of Netlify. Once you're here and you've created your account, go to Add New Project once you are on the home page by clicking on this button. You can then click on Deploy Manually. And you can now drag in your website files. This has to be in a .zip file, so go ahead and create that. For me, I already have my .zip file here. Inside of this .zip file, we have the website files. Now, if this wasn't already zipped, I could just go ahead and highlight all of my required files, right-click, and create a zip file. Just to show you, it would look something like this. We would highlight it, right-click, and then compress to zip file. Once we've got this compressed, call it whatever you want. Make sure it's a zip file and just drag it onto the screen. That is then going to upload the project files. Just make sure you drag it onto the center of the circle and you can see it's now uploading. Now we've done that, it's going to take us into that project, and in the future, if we want to get back to it, we can just go ahead and click on Projects, and then you'll see it on your homepage here. Now we can click on the subdomain, which has already been given to us by Netlify, and your website will be live. It will be hosted and ready to go. And that's it. So that's basically how you can deploy a website on Netlify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.